Jai Swaminarayan friends. In this video lecture we are continue the chapter inverse trigonometric function, right? And here we explain the tan inverse formula. Here we write to 9 question 1 to 9. One by one we explain. First one, tan inverse 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to pi by 8, right? Tan inverse 1 by 3. Here we write the first question LHS. Tan inverse 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse 1 by 7. Here we do not directly apply the formula because here the coefficient is 1 by 2. So first of all 1 by 2 is the common. So first we step to explain here. Here we multiply by 2 by 2. Multiply by 2 and divided by 2. Tan inverse 1 by 3 as it is. 1 by 2 tan inverse 1 by 7 also as it is. Now 1 by 2 common. So here we write 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Okay. So 1 by 2 as it is. Now splitting here. Tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Is that clear? Here we calculate the total two method. First method, apply this two formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y and answer, and again calculate the here formula, right? Otherwise, in last video lecture we have discussed tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z formula. You can also apply here directly. Here we apply the directly, right? Look here, 1 by 2 as it is. Tan inverse, this is your x, this is your y, and this is your z. Okay, so tan inverse x plus y plus z minus x y z. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. Okay, 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx. xy multiply by this 2, 1 by 9, yz 1 by 21, zx again 1 by 21. Is that clear? Tan inverse x plus y plus z minus xyz upon 1 minus xy, yz and zx. Is that clear? Now simplify in your bracket. Here 1 by 2 tan inverse. Here largest denominator 63. So we take LCM here 63. Now table 3, 21s are 21 3s are 63. So here multiply by 21. So here 21. Okay. Again here 21. 21 3s are. You know 7th table 7 9s are. So plus 9 and 63 1s are. Okay. Numerator and denominator LCM 63 will be cancelled. Now here 1 upon 1. So here 63 upon 63. Minus 9 7s are minus 21 3s are again 21 3s are. Okay, so 1 by 2 tan inverse. Now sum of this numerator 21 plus 21 42, 42 plus 9 51, 51 minus 1 50 upon 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13, because all of them same sign. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13, 63 minus 30 again 50. Cut. So 1 by 2 tan inverse 1. So 1 by 2 tan inverse 1, it is pi by 4. So our answer is pi by 8. This is our RHS. Is that clear? Okay. Next question. Tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 minus tan inverse 1 by 7. Our answer is tan inverse 21 by 53. Here we again apply the 3-term formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z. First we rearrange the term. Tan inverse 1 by 5, tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse minus 1 by 7. because tan inverse is an odd function. So we write here tan inverse minus x equal to minus tan inverse x. Alternative, minus tan inverse x equal to tan inverse minus x. Is that clear? Now apply the formula. Tan inverse x plus y plus z, that is minus 1 by 7. X plus y plus z minus, multiply by these three number. 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105, but minus 1 upon 105. So here minus minus plus. So 1 upon 105. Is that clear? Okay. Now in denominator, 1 minus xy, multiply by these two number. 1 by 50, yz, minus 1 by 21. So here minus minus plus. 1 minus xy minus yz. Again minus xz. xz, multiply by these two number. 7 5s are 35, but minus 1 upon 35. So here minus minus plus. Okay, clear? Now LCM is 105. Now numerator and denominator LCM 105. In your table of 5 table, 21 5s are 105. So multiply here 21 and 3 35 3s are 35 3s are 105. So here multiply by 35. 35 1s are 35, 35 3s are 105. And here 15 7s are 105. And here 1 as it is. Okay. Now here 105 upon 105. 15 7s are 21 5s are and 35 3s are. Okay. Now simplify. So here tan inverse. First we subtract this two number. 35 minus 15, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Again 21. 21 plus 21, 42. Okay. Now first one, 5 3s are 8. 8 minus 7, 1. Positive 1. 105 plus 1, 106. Is that clear? Now cut. 22 is the common factor. 21 2s are, 53 2s are. So our answer 21 upon 53. Our RHS is tan inverse 21 upon 53. Okay. Third sum, tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7, tan inverse 1 by 3, tan inverse 1 by 8. Answer is 5 by 4. Here we apply the first tan inverse x plus y plus z formula, and its answer is again apply the formula. Otherwise, second method, here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, apply these two terms and again apply these two terms. And its answer, again apply the formula. Here we apply the second method. Right? First apply these two. Here first we check 1 by 5 into 1 by 7. 1 by 35 less than 1. And here 1 by 3, 1 by 8, answer 1 by 24, again less than 1. Okay? So apply here first to tan inverse x plus y 1 minus xy. Okay? And here tan inverse 1 by 3, 1 by 8, 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 24. Okay? Now cross multiplication. 7 1s are 7, 5 1s are 5. LCM is the common. 35 1s are 35, 1 1s are 1. Plus tan inverse 8 plus 3. And here 24 minus 1. 24 minus 1. Okay? So your first answer 7 plus 5, 12. Here 34. And tan inverse 8 plus 3, 11. 24 minus 1, 23. Clear? Now again apply the formula. This two. First we here cancel. 6 2s are, 17 2s are. So our question is tan inverse 6 by 17 plus tan inverse 11 by 23. Okay? So first we check the multiplication. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Check here. 6 upon 17, 11 by 23. 11 6 are 66. Okay? 17 into 23. Read your table. 17 3s are 51. 5 carry on. 17 2s are 34 plus 5, 39. So 391. Numerator is smaller than denominator. So answer is less than 1. Okay. Now apply direct formula. Tan inverse 6 by 17, 11 by 23, 1 by 1 minus 66 upon 391. Okay. So here tan inverse. Now cross multiplication in numerator. 23 6 are. First 26 are 120 and 6 3 are 18. 120 plus 18, 138. 138 plus 17 into 11. First we multiply 17 into 10. 170 and 17 ones are 17. 170 plus 17, 187. Okay. Now again cross multiplication. 391 ones are and 66 ones are. So tan inverse. 7 plus 8, 15. 1 carry on. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 carry on. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Denominator 11 minus 6, 5. 8 minus 6, 2. And 3 as it is. 325 cancel. So our answer is tan inverse 1. So tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. This is pi by 4 our final answer. Is it clear? Okay. Fourth sum. 2 cot inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 3 by 4. Answer is pi. Okay. Here first we turn in cot inverse, convert to tan inverse. 2 as it is. Cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 upon x. Reciprocal of theta. Okay. Then here tan inverse 3 by 4. Okay. Now split here 2 times 2x, that is tan inverse 3 plus tan inverse 3 plus tan inverse 3 by 4. Is that clear? Okay. Now apply the formula first 2. Otherwise second, third. Otherwise first and third. Okay. First we check the multiplication. 3 into 3, 9 greater than 1. Here we do not apply the directly formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z. Why? Reason? Because here multiplication of these two is already greater than 1. Right? Here in last third sum we apply the direct formula because multiplication x into y into z is always smaller than 1. If smaller than 1, then apply the formula. Is that clear? Okay. Now pi plus. Here multiplication is greater than 1. So answer pi plus. Pi plus tan inverse. 3 plus 3, 1 minus 9. Plus tan inverse 3 by 4 as it is. Now pi plus tan inverse 6 upon minus 8 plus tan inverse 3 by 4. Clear? Now minus outside the function tan inverse. Here 3 4s are, 3 2s are and 4 2s are. So 3 by 4. And here again tan inverse 3 by 4. So directly cut here. Plus and minus. Tan inverse 3 by 4 cut. So answer is pi. This is our final answer. Look here. Clear? Okay. Now we write here fifth sum. Fifth here. LHS. Cot inverse 1 plus tan inverse 2 plus cot inverse 1 by 3. Our answer is pi. Now this is your table value. Cot inverse 1 we directly here apply the pi by 4. Okay. Then tan inverse 2 as it is. Now here convert the tan inverse. So tan inverse 3. Clear? Now here apply this 2 formula. Multiplication inside calculation 6 is greater than 1. So pi plus. Here pi by 4 as it is. Pi plus tan inverse x plus y 1 minus xy. Okay. So here pi by 4 plus pi plus tan inverse 5 upon minus 5. So pi by 4 plus pi, 5 got in a tan inverse function minus outside the function, so minus tan inverse 1. So we write here pi by 4 plus pi and tan inverse 1 equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 cancel. Answer is pi. Our final answer is fifth sum pi. Here we calculate the fifth number. Answer is pi. Here we write the sixth sum. Cot inverse 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2 cot inverse 12 by 5. First we convert the tan inverse. cot inverse 1 by 5 equal to tan inverse 5. Then 1 by 2 as it is tan inverse 5 by 12, reciprocal of theta. Right? Okay. So quotient convert to be tan inverse. Now here similar to first number quotient, we already done it. Now multiply by 2 divided by 2. Tan inverse 5 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse 5 by 12. Our answer is 5 by 2. Okay. Now 1 by 2 is common. So 2 tan inverse 5 plus tan inverse 5 by 12. Okay. So 1 by 2 split here. Tan inverse 5 plus tan inverse 5 plus tan inverse 5 by 12. Okay. Now here apply this two formula. This one, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Multiplication 25 is greater than 1. So pi plus. Here pi plus tan inverse 5 plus 5, 1 minus 25. Tan inverse x plus y, 1 minus xy. Tan inverse 5 by 12 as it is. Okay. Now here 1 by 2 pi plus tan inverse 10 upon minus 24 plus tan inverse 5 by 12. Okay, clear? Here cut 5 12s are 1 by 2 pi in outside the my negative sign tan inverse 5 by 12 plus tan inverse 5 by 12. Okay, plus and minus cancel directly. So 1 by 2 into pi, answer is 5 by 2. Okay, clear? 6 sum is completed. Now 7 is 7, 8, 9 and MCQ. Right? Is important MCQ. So first we write here 7th MCQ. But first again remember the formula. We discussed the 7th MCQ. First we remember the formula. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. This is our formula. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Right? And second formula again sin inverse y plus cos inverse y. We write also pi by 2. Clear? Here condition is what? Theta is the same. Clear? Okay. Our data is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to 2 pi by 3. Then find the value of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to blank. So our question is this one, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to blanks. So first we put here subject of cos inverse x, in place of cos inverse x we write here pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Okay. Again cos inverse y here, cos inverse y equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse y. Clear? Now pi by 2 plus pi by 2 answer is pi. Then this 2 term minus sign will be common. So sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. But this is our data. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to 2 pi by 3. So place here 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. So pi minus 2 pi by 3. Cross multiplication 3 pi minus 2 pi. Answer pi by 3. This is our final answer. So cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to pi by 3. Clear? 8 number question. Cot inverse tan 7 pi by 4. First we try to here cot function. Because cot inverse cot will be cancelled, then answer will be theta. Okay. First we calculate theta value. Pi by 4 that is 45. Pi by 4 that is 45. 45 sevens are. 7 5s are 35, 3 carry on, 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 315. 315 that is 2 between which quadrant? 270 to 360. 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, fourth quadrant. Right? Okay. So cot inverse tan as it is, here we write 2 pi minus pi by 4. Because theta is in fourth quadrant, so we write here 3 pi by 2 plus, otherwise 2 pi minus. Clear? Okay. 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 1, 7 pi by 4. So in place of 7 pi by 4, we write here 2 pi minus pi by 4. Now look your quadrant. Cot inverse as it is. right? 2 pi minus fourth quadrant, tan negative, and here pi, so function will not be changed here. So answer is 10 minus tan pi by 4. Clear? Chord inverse as it is, tan 2 pi minus that is fourth quadrant, tan will be negative. Here 2 pi, that is function the same. So answer is minus 10 pi by 4. So 10 pi by 4 table value, answer is 1. Minus sign as it is, 10 pi by 4 equal to 1. Clear? Okay, now chord inverse of minus x equal to what? Pi minus chord inverse 1. Pi minus chord inverse 1. Okay, so pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4, answer is 3 pi by 4. Was that clear? Pi minus pi by 4, answer is 3 pi by 4. Okay, now 9th MCQ. Here, tan inverse minus tan 13 pi by 8. Minus tan 13 pi by 8. First we calculate 13 pi by 8 equal to radian degree measurement. So first we multiply 180, pi equal to 180, right? Multiply by 13. 2340. 13 into pi, 2340. Divided by 8. Divided by 8. 292.5. Answer is 292.5. 292.5, that is which quadrant? 270 to 360 again. Right? Okay. So tan inverse as it is, minus sign also as it is, tan 2 pi minus pi by 8. Table 8 2s are 16 minus 3. Look here, 8 2s are 16, 16 minus 3, answer is 13 pi by 8. Is that clear? Okay. Now again tan inverse as it is. Okay, now 2 pi minus fourth quadrant, tan will be negative. So here minus minus plus. So we do not write here plus sign. And here pi, so function do not change here. So answer is tan 3 pi by 8. Tan 2 pi minus theta, that is called minus tan theta, minus minus plus tan theta as it is. Now tan inverse tan cancel, answer is 3 pi by 8. Was that clear? Okay, thank you very much.